Ano ba yung information na nakuha nyo?
That communication po, Your Honor, was telling the general mga pangalan po ng mga tao.
Write it down on paper. It's the single word or name na. Ano ba yung information na nakuha nyo na iba sa inaasahan yung makuha nyo kay Guo Huaping?
There was a communication of a person named ALG.
Initials of Alice Leal Guo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
There was a communication of ALG na kumakausap po sa amin, sa akin po sa messages. And also talk with the good general. So yung pong message po na yon po involved a lot of people.
Like who?
Hindi ko nga po just a lot
of people, hindi mo maalala. Alam mo, a lot of people, tapos hindi mo masabi ngayon. Sino? Involve a lot of people. Sinong people? Oh, takot ka na merong hahabol sa'yo after this hearing?
That communication po, Your Honor, from an ALG was telling the general mga pangalan po ng mga tao.
Kaya nga, sino nga yung mga tao na yun?
Ano involvement ng mga taong ito?
Miss Maslo?
Madam Chair, hindi niya
Senator De La
masabi-sabi.
Rosa.
Dahil siya mismo ang may hawak ng affidavit na gustong papirmahan kay Alice Go na ipinpoint si President Duterte, Senator Go, Senator Bato at si General Karamat na nasa likuran ng Pugo Operations.
No, sir.
Yan ang totoo. Huwag ka magsinungaling dito.
Sir, there was no affidavit po. That's not true, sir.
Pumunta siya doon 2 times?
Madam Chair, opo, 2 times po.
Pumunta siya. Anong purpose ng magpunta niya doon sa'yo?
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, can I consult my lawyer po?
Okay, you can talk to your lawyer.
Ano yung kahit ilan sa mga maraming pangalan na sinasabi mong information na yan? Sinight ka na namin in contempt.
I know, Your Honor.
You are here in the Senate. At kahit ubus na ang PC namin sa isang resource person, pag cited in contempt at nasa custody ng Senate, well, of course, pending this coordination with the NBI. So you are not only in the protection of the NBI, pati kahit ubus na ang PC namin sa inyo, pati protection ng Senate. So what is your answer to our question?
Your Honor, can I just submit the document, Your Honor, sa inyo?
Submit it now. It's 3 minutes to 5 o'clock.
I don't have it right now.
Write it
Your
down
Honor.
on paper. Single piece of information written here, hindi marami, hindi konti, ay iisa lamang. It's the single word or name na file doon.
Matatakot ka ba sa buhay mo pagka dinivulge mo yung mga pangalan?
These people, Your Honor, are in possession. And
Why are you
I don't-
crying, Miss
Kasi
Masli?
hindi po ako. Your Honor, I can't. File Don was in Bamban. He lived in Bamban. This information actually na-mention din po ni Miss Ali.
Okay.
They were invited to go to Davao.
Mr. File doon naman po talaga nasa Bamban. Meron po siyang goat farm po sa Bamban.
Goat farm.
Yes po, goat farm.
So kayo may babuyan, siya naman kambingan. Tinatanong na rin ng aking mga colleagues, yun ba yung dating BOC?
File Don po. Di ko po siya kilala. File Don lang.
Bakit nyo sinulat kung hindi mo siya kilala?
No, hindi ko po siya kilala. Nabasa ko po yan.
Okay, saan nyo nabasa?
Can I talk to my lawyer for a second, Your Honor?
I'm just
You've
asking
been
you
consulting your lawyer a while ago.
So why did you write this word, this name filed on? Anong ibig sabihin?
I think po, isa lang po yan sa mga names.
Okay.
Po. And, Your Honor, I'm sorry po. I don't think I have the right po. Kasi hindi po ako sure.
Ang tanong lamang ay anong sinabi? Ano yung sinabi?
Your Honor, I can't. I'm sorry, Your
Why
Honor.
not? Why can't you?
Those are names po that not validated and I'm not
You are
really
not-
sure.
Sabi mo nga, they are not validated. Hindi mo naman trabaho ang validation. Tulad ng hindi mo trabaho no na kasama sa operation ng pag-aresto kay Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor. I
Oo.
know that, Your Honor. But these people, Your Honor, are in position and
Why
I
are you
don't-
crying, Ms.
Kasi
Maslog?
hindi po ako. Your Honor, I can't. Kasi wala po
Madam
akong
Chair.
authority, Your Honor.
Madam Chair,
Marian,
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
natatakot ka ba sa buhay mo pagka dinivulge mo yung mga pangalan? Namatay ka na dati. Come on, please divulge all the names that you know. Sige na.
Starting with the name file doon. Sa anong konteksto nyo narinig yung pangalan niya?
File Don was in Bamban. I think he lived in Bamban. Apparently po, Mr. Faeldon and I think his wife also, nandoon po sila sa Bamban. Ito po, this information actually, in fairness din po, na-mention din po sa akin ni Miss Alex.
Okay.
They were invited to go to Davao.
SP Pro Tempore.
I see Alice go in disbelief.
As SP Pro Tempore is indicating and the majority leader has asked,
Aside from
Guo
official,
Huaping,
Madam Chair, ganun po yun. Meron pong isang picture po with the former president po and me na group po na circulating before. Yan po yung kinukwento po. Yan yung isa rin po na pagkwentuhan po namin. That's my first time po nakita ko po ang former president. Doon sa group picture niyan na circulating, that was the first time po na nakita ko po siya. Doon naman po siya na-mention po ni Miss Maslog. Kanina naman po na regarding po kay Mr. Nick Faeldon naman po. Mr. Nick Faeldon naman po talaga nasa Bamban. Meron po siyang goat farm po sa Bamban.
Goat farm.
Yes po, goat farm.
So kayo may babuyan, siya naman kambingan.
Wala naman po kami any transaction pero may goat farm lang po.
Farm.
May goat farm lang po siya sa Bamban.
Okay.
Yun lang po. At mayroon pa po akong kadagdagan po na answer po pala doon sa na-mention po ni Ma'am Maslog kanina na invitation ng Davao. I just want to clarify. Wala pong nangyaring invitation po ng Davao. Wala po akong kakilala. At yung picture na yon ay nag-iisang picture lang po yon, July 22 to be exact, 2022. Hindi na po presidente si former president that time.